So there's always issues with this CFS. No matter how much, there's always something going on with this thing. It's never reliable. Even if I just try to print one single color, it's always like right now. It went good before, and now it doesn't. You know. So I was tired of this, and I just decided to just dedicate it to do just single color prints instead of this multicolors. So I'm doing nylon. I haven't had any much luck with nylon. I tried different kinds. Like this one right here, and I came up with this setup. Ever since I came up with the setup, even with PLA, I've been flawless. I haven't had any issues or anything with PETG, ABS. Everything had been, because I started using the side holder, but I wasn't getting any luck either, especially with nylon. Finally, I came out with this, made this to try to shorten the distance as much as possible, and ever since I've been getting really good prints. This is a nylon. Come on. Beautiful. Fucking good. Look at this thing. So, pretty much trying to take advantage of this machine, and I think this is the way to go. Single spool instead of the multicolor thing. And I did shorten the spring on the extruder. I think it has too much pressure, and I don't know, I just think it's not gonna, it's deforming the filament, especially for high temperatures. When it retracts, it's deformed the filament, and that's when it gets jammed. So here it is, guys, just an idea.